In the previous video, I have discussed about mean. So in this video, I am going to explain about median. So if you have not watched my previous video that is about mean, I'll provide a link in the description. Please check it out. So this is median. So to find out median, there will be three series: single series, discrete and continuous series. The question will be asked like, find the median for the single series, find the median for the discrete series, find the median for the continuous series. So here in this question, find the median for the following data. See, this is the question. How to find whether the question is in single series means the given numbers are separated by commas. See, here the given data is separated by commas. So it is in single series. So to identify, first you have to check whether the given numbers are separated by commas or not. So here it is separated by commas. So it is in single series. Now what is the procedure to find the median for single series? Means first you have to see the question carefully. And then to find the median, we have to arrange the data in ascending order. So this is the question. From this question, we are arranging the data in ascending order. Ascending order means from small number to big number, we have to arrange the data. From small number to big number. Okay, we arranged the data in ascending order. So this is the question and we arranged the data in ascending order. And then we have to count how many numbers are there. Means how many values are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What? 7 values are given. 7 values are given. 7 means odd. So the formula to find median in single series which given values are odd means the formula is n plus 1 by 2. The given data is odd, so the formula is n plus 1 by 2. Here n means how many values are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 which is odd, and 7 is the n value. 7 plus 1, 1 by 2 equals to 8 by 2 equals to 2 4s are 4. So we have to see what is the fourth value. 1, 4, this one 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the fourth one. So 1150 is the median. What is the fourth value? 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth one is 1150. So 1150 is the median value. So friends, have you understand for single series how to find odd value? Means the given values are odd means the formula is n plus 1 by 2. If the given values are even means what is the formula? See, here again to find the median what we have to do? See, the given data is given. This is the question. And then we have to arrange the data in ascending order. That is 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 18. We arrange it from small number to big number. And we counted how many numbers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is an even number. So what is the formula? There are two formulas to find median for the given value is even, that is n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1. So here n means how many values are given? 8 values. So 8 by 2 equals to 4. And so some people will think that only n by 2 or n by 2 plus 1 we have to use. No friends, we have to use two formulas. That is n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1 also we have to use. So n by 2 we did. We got answer 4. N by 2 plus 1 means 4 plus 1 5. So we got 4 1 4 and we got 5. So average of fourth and fifth terms. Here we have to see 1 2 3 4. Fourth value is 10. Fifth value is 11. We have to do the average of those two values. That is 21 by 2 equals to 10.5. This is the median value. This is the median value for the following data. So I hope that you guys understand. Single series if the given values is odd and plus 1 by 2. If the given values are even, the formula is n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1 to find single series. Okay. And then Now it is discrete series. See friends, now it is discrete series. See, in this discrete series, I told you how to identify for the single series those numbers will be separated by commas. But how to find for the discrete series means here x values are given and also frequency values will be given. If the question contains x values along with f values, then the given question is in discrete series. These heights are x values and these persons are all f values, that means frequency values. So you have to draw a table for the discrete series, that is x values, and then f values, those are frequency values. And in this, to find the median, we have to write the another column, that is cumulative frequency. We have to write another column, that is cumulative frequency. Okay, xi means all upper values, f means all lower values. And how did you write this cumulative frequency values? Means, see, the first one is as it is 4, and the second one is 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 plus 4 plus 6 plus 5 is 15. 4 plus 6 plus 5 plus 10 is 25. 4 plus 6 plus 5 plus 10 plus 20 is 45. In the same way, you have to write the cumulative frequency values. Means by adding frequency values one by one, we'll get the frequency value, cumulative frequency values. Understand, these are x values will be given in the question, f values, those will also be given in the question, and these are cumulative frequency values, those you have to find out by adding frequency one by one. Okay, for the discrete series, the formula is n by 2. Here n means total. How much we'll get the total by adding the frequency is 100. By n by 2 means 2. And here how much we got? By doing total these frequency values, we get 100. 100 by 2 equals to 50. So we have to check 50. Okay, we got answer 50. In the cumulative, which number is immediate greater than 50? I am telling again, which number is immediate greater than 50 in cumulative frequency? Means in cumulative frequency, here it is 50. What is the immediate greater number in cumulative frequency? It is 67. You may tell that 97, 91 are also bigger than 50. I'm telling that immediate greater, that is 67. So this total row will be median class. This total row will be median class. So this 64 will be the median. So this 64, this total will be median class. So this, which is x, where it is present in the x, this one will be the median. So in cumulative, the above 50 is 67. Yes. So the median is 64. Think you understand what are discrete series and how to do. Now continuous series. So how to identify the continuous series? Continuous series will be identified that the question will be given in the form class intervals 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30. Means if the questions are given these type, means those are class intervals. These are called as class intervals. So continuous series means the x value, it will be given class intervals and frequencies. So you all know, so to find the median, this is the class intervals and these are frequency. And for the median, there will be an extra column, that is cumulative frequency. So how to find cumulative frequency? The first number is the as it is. 15 plus 20 is 35. 15 plus 20 plus 25 is 60. 15 plus 20 plus 25 plus 24 is 84. In the same way, you have to find out cumulative frequency. So what is the formula for continuous series to find median? Means the formula is here. Median equals to L plus n by 2 minus C F into H. So here L means lower limit of the median class. N means total frequency. C means cumulative frequency preceding the median class. F means frequency of corresponding to the median class. H means width of the interval. Okay, this is the formula. Please note the formulas in your book. Then only you will remember those formulas. Okay, this is the formula to find median in continuous series. L plus n by 2 minus C by F into H. So, in this table, first we have to find the median class. How to find the median class? N by 2. First we have to do n by 2. N by 2 means, n means total addition of summation of all the frequency. Summation of all frequency is 250. So 250 by 2 equals to 125. 125. What is the immediate greater number in cumulative frequency than 125 is 127. 127. Immediate greater number than 125 is 127. So this 127, this row will be the median class. This 127, 31, 52, 60. This will be the median class. So the presiding number will be cumulative frequency. The presiding number will be C. So we have to substitute the values in the formula. The first one is L, lower limit means C. In the median class, this is the median class. This 50 is the L. L means the lower limit, U means upper limit. So in our formula we have only L. So L means here 50 we mentioned, plus n by 2 means we got 125, minus C means 96, which I have mentioned that C means cumulative frequency preceding the median class. If this is the median class, the immediate preceding one is the cumulative C. So it is 96 by 31. In the median class, what frequency is there? 31. Frequency of corresponding to the median class, that is 31. 31 into H means the difference is 0 to 10. How much difference? 10. 10 to 20. How much difference? 10. So the difference between the class intervals is 10. So we mentioned 10 over here. H place we mentioned 10. After substituting all the values and doing calculation, we get 59.35. Okay. I hope that you all understand how to find out median for single, discrete and continuous series. If you have any doubt, please mention in the comment section, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.